Hello everybody, I am Dr. Sarthak Malik. I am consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist in Manipal Hospital Dwarka, New Delhi. Today we are going to talk about recent very important developments in management of fatty liver disease. We know that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease has now been renamed as metabolic associated fatty liver disease or MAFLD. The reason for today's talk is that I want to bring to your notice a latest development in the medical management of this fatty liver disease. We have very good drugs which have recently been approved by FDA for management of this fatty liver disease. Simaglutide or Wegovy is the new drug which has recently been approved. It is available both in form of injection and even as a tablet. It has shown very promising result in causing weight loss and in management of diabetes. It has also shown to improve fatty liver disease by reducing fibrosis. Recently, a very important drug which has recently been approved for management of diabetes is Mounjaro. This is an injectable drug and it has shown very promising results in causing weight loss. So these two new molecules which have come up will now revolutionize the management of diabetes and fatty liver disease and will help fight the patients with this problem. I would also like to bring to your notice a new technique of endoscopic bariatric surgery known as endoscopic sleeve gastroplasty. This is a minimal invasive technique where we use, with the help of endoscopes and sutures, we reduce the size of stomach. This technique is also very promising in reducing weight by around 10%. There will be no scar on the abdomen, there will be no cuts, and it is a procedure done in 2 to 3 hours and patient can be discharged the next very day. So with the management of the obesity with this endoscopic sleeve gastroplasty, diabetes medications like Mounjaro and Simaglutide, the world is open now for management of obesity with these very good drugs. If you are suffering from obesity and diabetes and finding it difficult to lose weight, please consult us in Manipal Hospital Dwarka. We will be really helping you out in reducing weight with minimal complications. Thank you.